welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 2019. So when you have a clean installation of Windows 2019, it will only come with Internet Explorer 11 at the moment of making this video. So start by opening Internet Explorer. So in here, Internet Explorer will have a security functionality. It can be enabled or disabled. In this case, I will say to enable it, just in case you already have an installation and this was already enabled, so you can see how to download Google Chrome with it. So now there are technically two ways. The correct way would be is that you go, for example, now to google.com and you will see a warning like this, and this will say that Internet Explorer blocked the content and do you want to add an exception or not. So you can do it like this now. You're gonna add an exception and you say, for me, google.com is a trusted website. Close. And you need to keep doing this over and over and over, as Google uses a lot of advertisement and a lot of third-party websites that will track you. So you're gonna have to keep adding this till you come to the Google website. I can personally tell you this takes a lot of effort. As you see, it keeps coming with new pop-ups, and if you do not accept every single URL, you cannot download Chrome. Now, so I personally think this is a little bit problematic, and I also would say, since I already decided to use Chrome, I don't really seem to care about the security functionality of Internet Explorer. So first press on this little icon here in the top, then go to Internet Options, then go to Security and press on Internet. Now you will see that this is currently on high. This means you use the highest security for when it comes to what sites are trusted. Since you have decided to use Google Chrome and that doesn't really include this, you can go ahead and disable this functionality and you press apply. It says the current security settings will put your computer at risk. Okay, I accept that. Now it's very important, you have to press on custom level here and you scroll a little bit down till you will see download. So we go down and then you see here file downloads and you have to enable this. Then you go a little bit more further down till you find scripting. So here you see scripting, activate scripting, and you press enable. And then you do OK. And are you sure you want to change the settings for this one? You will press yes. Then you press apply, OK. And normally I just quickly close Internet Explorer and I will start it again. And then here, be careful, do not turn it on again. So now you can just go to www.google.com and simply write download Chrome. So you have to look a little bit which of the URLs fits for you. It's a little bit different, but I will go to this one, the international one. And then I can press the download Chrome button. It will say, do you want to save the file? And you press save. So now you have downloaded Google Chrome. You can close the browser, Internet Explorer, and you open your downloads folder. And here you will have an application now. It's called Chrome Setup. So you simply double press this exe file and it will start the installation program for Google Chrome. This will take a little, it will download the files, and depending on your internet setup, this can take much longer than it does it for me. So as you see, it starts to install Google Chrome now. And there it is. you have Google Chrome installed now on Windows Server 2019. On some servers you might need to accept that you use admin permissions to do this, but in my case I am logged in as an administrator on an Amazon server, Amazon Web server, so I didn't have to do that. But yeah, I hope that this explains to you how you can install Google Chrome on a Windows Server 2019. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if the video helped you. That would help me a lot. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope to see you next time.